In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wix business email 2026 guide. A branded email address instantly elevates your business. Instead of sending messages from a generic account, your email will match your domain, which looks professional, builds trust, and keeps communications organized under one roof. Start by signing into your Wix account to open the dashboard, your command center, for everything on your site. Choose the specific website you want to work on so the email service is attached to the right brand. In the admin menu, go to Customer Leads and select Business Email. That's where Wix centralizes the tools you'll use to add and manage professional mailboxes. If you run multiple sites, double check you're in the correct one by glancing at the site name and domain at the top of the dashboard. Next, connect your domain so your new address lines up perfectly with your web address. Click Connect Domain. You'll see a prompt to link email like info@yourbusiness.com to your actual domain. Type in your domain, for example, yourbusiness.com. If you don't own a domain yet, Wix will show you options to purchase one and pair it to your site in a single flow. When everything looks right, click Let's Go to continue. Now let Wix handle the technical setup behind the scenes. The platform automatically adds the necessary DNS records, things like MX, SPF, and DKIM, so you don't have to edit settings at your domain host. This improves deliverability and helps protect your brand from spoofing. Give it a moment to process. It's normal to see a brief waiting message while the connection finalizes. If the page offers a status checker, keep an eye on it. You'll see confirmation when records are live. Avoid closing the browser during this stage to prevent interrupting the process. Once the connection is complete, you'll be able to create your professional inboxes. Start with the addresses that make the most sense for your operation, such as sales@yourbusiness.com, contact@yourbusiness.com, or a primary info@mailbox. Choose simple descriptive names so customers immediately know where to send inquiries. You can always add more mailboxes later as your team grows, and that's all it takes. You've set up a branded business email that aligns with your domain, enhances credibility, and keeps communications streamlined. From here, manage your mailboxes directly inside Wix and enjoy a more polished presence every time you hit send. Don't forget to update your website contact forms and your email signature to feature the new address so customers recognize it right away. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new professional email address.